Hello everyone, it is Andrea and today I am coming at y'all with my new releases for this week. These will be live Wednesday at noon Eastern. And I totally forgot to mention in last week's video that mystery spots would be available. I think I did. So I'm actually going to put them up again today. If I don't remember, somebody let me know and I will put them up just in case you missed them last week. But let's get into this week's releases. We're going to start at the top and work our way down. We have two reformats, one of them being exclusive, one newer art, and then also two monthlies. One being exclusive art, one being art that we haven't used for a kit. Scribblers, color of the week, and also a character. So first things first is I wanted to do the red panda from Turning Red. So stinking cute. This is number 15, so that will be in the like pop culture characters category. Then the next characters here we have Scribblers, and these are working out ones which are so cute. I'm obsessed with these. I made myself custom like split hair ones and I love using them. I think they're so cute with their little like sweat drip and their little weights. So they come in the normal 6 fam options that are offered in the shop and the Scribblers. So 1 through 6. Then we also have the color of the week, and like the past few weeks, this is a color that was requested by y'all, and this is like a dark charcoal / black. This color, and if we do a glitter or if we do like a white or a like light gray, those always sell the best. So this is one to definitely pick up, especially moving into spooky season. This is in the normal 10 sheets, and there is a buy all option, which is super easy for placing in your cart. And then also you get a discount. I think it's like getting a sheet for free. So that is the color of the week. Then for the monthlies, I have 2 here. Both of them come in A5 wide and B6. I'll just show you the B6 option real quick. This is the 2-page, and this fits the Aura Style and the print impression inserts for the ring planners. The newer ones. Print impressions, old ones, no, but the newer edition, yes. And they fit all of the ring planner inserts that have monthlies for Aura Style. And then this is the A5 wide version, which again fits the same. So you can use this in an A5 wide print impression or Aura Style. And these have 1.5 inch wide boxes. So you can use your leftovers from this kit with it. You can use your leftovers of this with your kit. You can use like foil that is 1.5 inches wide in those inserts, which is really nice. So this one is Not So Scary, which came out last week, but I thought this would make a really, really cute monthly. So here is the monthly kit in the A5 wide and the B6. And then I wanted to do a fall option. It's definitely like on my to-do list to get a little bit more on a schedule with monthlies, having like 2 a month released, like maybe the first week or something. It's just been very, very hectic in life. And then this one, I don't remember, it might be called Fall or something like that, but it's a really cute, just like general fall kit. And let me show you this in the A5 wide as well. I won't be using this art for a in-shop kit, but I thought it would be really pretty for a monthly because I really love the colors and all of the scenes. Really nice for like September, October, even November. This would be really pretty for. I think the November like colorway kind of vibes for this works. And then let's go through the kits. They're so pretty this week. This one was super hard to pick a colorway to use, and this is Fall Festival. So normally I'm really drawn, like when Coffee Doodles does, 2 different colorways to one or the other, but I really liked the like classic colorway, which had a lot of oranges in it and like very fall colors. But I thought this one was kind of different and would break up the like fall and Halloween colorways with this really pretty like purples. And I was thinking like this would look so pretty with lavender hollow, regular hollow, sparkly hollow, lavender hollow, hollow mixed. It would look really pretty with rose, but also would look good with gold if you wanted to do gold, silver. It's like one of those ones that could go with any foil color and a lot of the mixed metals. So I ultimately went with this colorway. I just thought it was different. Again, can break up your, you know, month of, you know, spookier oranges and stuff like that. So love this theme as well. So it's like a fall festival. I love this little like house with the pumpkins. We actually have the pumpkin patch we go to actually does something very, very similar to this. And it actually looks like pretty much like this actually. I normally don't use a fall festival kit, but I think I'm going to use this one in my work planner. I feel like I always go get pumpkins too close to Halloween and I'm like using a Halloween kit, but I think I'm going to use this one in my work planner. But also I don't know, because I really want to do like full foil look with this. So This one's going to be a tough one. I feel like normally I'm pretty decisive on the kits I want to use. I love this colors with like the brown. I'm pretty decisive on the kits I want to use. This is one that I'm like, there's not enough weeks in September, October for me right now. You have the box there, and then the freebie in the Ultimate and Mini is 2 more boxes. So lots of box options with that. Also the kits do come in Mini and Ultimate as per always. So let's go through the add-on options. Let me move y'all a little bit closer. We have the doodle if you want to add it on, the functional fashion 1 and 2. Let me show you the difference. I thought this was kind of a neat way to do it. Normally I do like one fashion and the different skin tone hair colors on one and then another. But I thought with this one, you could buy one and then you have 4 different like fashion options to like extend your kit. Cause this is like a lot of boxes. Once you start like thinking about it, you have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And then if you add on 14, 15, 16, 17 boxes, like unique boxes, that's a lot. Then you have the ombre, the label, and then label 2 and 3 because I really love these extra colors. Let me actually pull it so you can see. I kind of like the lighter colorway for like lavender hollow, but I thought that if you wanted to darken it up a little bit, you could add these 2 colors in and really make a nice little vibe there. So that was Fall Festival. Then I have 2 reformats and these like hit different. I don't know what it was, but like as I was doing these, I was like, wow. Like, here's the thing. Like when it comes to Halloween and Christmas, I always am like, oh, I'll like reuse this. And then I never do because there's so much good art. But there is something about these 2 kits that I don't know. Like I'm using them. There's no like if, ands, or buts. Like this is not like a questionable thing. Like I am using these even though they're reformats. I feel like I might, I don't even know. I have to look back and see if I used these the year they came out. I don't think I used this one, but I might have used this one, but I don't know what it is. These are older, like 2+ years old, but they are classic. I don't know. I'm just obsessed. Let me know if you feel the same way because like, I don't know what it is about reformats, but sometimes they just hit different and I'm just like, it needs to be my planner this year, regardless if I already used it. This one is Spooky Night, which I am obsessed with. I love these colors. I love the like movie cozy vibes to this. I think there's lots of foil options that would look really great with this. I feel like a black, like the sparkly black would be really cute. The black with the prism. You could do a purple. You could do an orange. You could do just silver if you want. You could do matte bronze. There's just lots of options here. I love this tiered tray. This is so like of the times of when it came out. I feel like every set had like a tiered tray. I feel like the food boards were like coming into style then. They have not left. I'm happy about this. Just obsessed. I did change the movie. It did say before like Nightmare Before Christmas. I just put Hocus Pocus 2 on there because that's very timely. I think I'm going to use this the week I watch Hocus Pocus 2 because I'm very excited about that. I feel like I'm like contained excited because I know it's not going to be as good as the original because it's just like that's like classic nostalgia, but I am excited to watch it because I feel like it's something everybody's wanted for like a really long time. I love the colors in this. I think before I didn't use the green and I used the black. I think I have a black. Did I do the black as an add-on? Yeah, but I thought the green just like, I don't know, it was speaking to me and I just think that it makes the colorway a little bit more fun. 2 other unique boxes here. I'm obsessed with these patterns. Still, these patterns are timeless, honestly, I think. The splatters, the artistic little swooshes, and then the bottom washi is the like tie-dye. You got the little like kid drawing here, which I drew myself. Quality there. And then the freebie and the mini and ultimate is the like black color as the doodles. I thought that would work with this spread, but also would kind of like work with so many different kits. That's one that you can save and use with so many different ones. Save your extra doodles. You never know when you need them. So that comes in an ultimate and a mini. And then let me show you the add-on options. So first you have the doodle, then you have the functional, then you have the ombre, the label sampler 2, which is the black. So another one if you wanted to add it on. It has like the black with like this, all has the black glitter stroke. This would be a good one to have on hand if you need extra. And then I also did FAMs. So I recolored the girl from not Moon Prism. Milky Way Cafe. I thought she was super cutie and just recolored her. You have the 2 kiddos up here and then the hand carving the pumpkin down here in the normal 6 fam options. I just think that like with the sleeves, it looks a little like witchy almost. I think this is like one of my favorite fashion people that Jess has drawn. I don't know what it is about it. Like maybe it's the space buns, the outfit, the hair. I don't know. I just love it. So in the normal 6 fam options there, but that is Spooky Night and it's 110% going into my lineup this year along with this one. So I'm going to have 2 reformat old arts in my lineup this year, which is so bizarre, but I am like obsessed with them. I don't know what it is, but I am like so here for it and ready. So this one is Boo. It's a very like modern black and white with the pop of orange. So you got classic Halloween colors, you got modern decor. I feel like the decor, like this kid, what, like 3 years old, I think? It's still a vibe. This is still how I want my house to look. You have a cute little stack of books. You got your fashion options. You got your little like flat lay with the super cute purse and the makeup, the candy, the pumpkins. I'm obsessed. This would be perfect for a quote box. I love this scene here. Everything is just a vibe. I feel like for me, this one is like, you could do silver for sure. I don't know if I would do gold, but you could. I think silver, matte silver, or black or orange would be my picks. Personally, for me, I think I am going to do a mixture of orange and black foil, but also silver would be good because silver would pop. But also I could, if I did orange, I think I would just use these 3 header colors and do orange header overlays. And I think that that would be the ultimate vibe. Also, you could even just like buy this one and then do an extra black throughout, like maybe do this one, this one, this one, this one. And then do orange. I would do orange like throughout the spread in like box like labels and stuff. And then just do orange on here. I think orange and silver actually would be really cute too. So you could do like silver over the boxes, orange on the headers, and then maybe do like a mixed on the like bougie underlay type situation. There's options. The freebie and the ultimate mini is the extra skin tone options for the box right here. You have the super cute little bar cart. Again, I love these patterns. I love the colors. I think this kit is going to be so cute. The extra scene here, you have like a slightly gradient bottom washi just to give it a little something. It's like kind of hard to see on camera, but it's like dark and then a little bit lighter. The orange stripe. I just think that this one is just too good not to use again. I do want to go back and see like what I did. I don't remember. It's been, again, like 3 years, I think. So we have to go back and look. It does also come in a mini. You got your, oh, and then the, I don't know if I mentioned the like faux glitter throughout this one. The other one was black. This one's like black and orange with like different like black to grays in it. Super cute. Subtle, nice touch. So you have the doodle, you have the functional, the ombre, the label, and then also the fashion add-on. So that, my friends, is everything for this week. Don't forget, I also will have mystery spots up if you were looking to join. I am very excited for this month's art. It's definitely different. I feel like sometimes I'm like, oh, you know, I've done this theme before, but this is a theme I have not done before, which I'm very excited about. It is kind of pop culture-y, but also not really. If you don't know the reference, then you wouldn't even know that is pop culture-y. It's just cute. So hold on, let's put this all together. It also has a fun foil color versus, well, it's like semi-fun, but it's not like one of the core foils as the foil color, which is very exciting. And then I think it also comes with, let me check. I think it's going to come with, oh yeah, it's coming with a extra color freebie because this one, oh no, is this in the new format? Pretty sure this is in the new format. Did I do like 2 extra color freebies? I am so confused right now. It's in the new format. Oh yeah, I did. You have the extra color is another. Okay, so yeah, so like, you know, like Label Sampler 2, you're getting one of those in the Ultimate Mini as well. So that's exciting. But yeah, these will all be live Wednesday at noon Eastern if you want to purchase any. Otherwise, I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye.